Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Vinayak Gawande and today again I am coming for our subject English of the class 5th. We are basically now we are going to do is to see some activities part which we have completed some poem earlier and some informative para. So we are going to take up some activities which is on the page number 37. So basically, this paragraph is all about, or this is sentence is all about some information which one should adopt or one should advise which one should adopt in his life. So first one is our body is so wonderful we must keep take our of our body. So here picture of a lady is drawn and she says that our human body is so wonderful and we must take care of our body. Likely we should do exercise regularly. In this way, we can take care of our body. There are different works one can do upon ourselves, like doing exercise, cycling, do yoga. In this type of activities or mm, this type of practices can help to keep our body fit mentally and physically. Next one is we should eat well at regular time. So second habit is very important that we should eat regularly at fixed time. That if you ate at night at 8 p.m. So again next day you should eat and that particular time that is 8 p.m. In this way your one's digestive system is of capable or uh, feel uh, perfect at condition because if we miss the perfect time of our eating habits then it might be some sort of dysfunctioning or disbalance in our enzymes of the body. So in this way we should eat at our regular rate. That's why they particularly write it down on page number 37. We should eat fruits and vegetables. So, for gaining some proteins and minerals, vitamins, for that we should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Because of these vegetables and fruits, it is a raw food which are not yet to be cooked. So these vegetables and fruits give us our body an extra requirement proteins, vitamins and other minerals which is very necessary for human growth and development. Next one is we should drink enough water. A lot of time we forget to drink water. We drink some any other thing like cold drinks or something. But drinking water at a perfect amount or a regularly, it is more important because our body dehydrates very fast. Our body requires water for its regular functioning. So that's why this this sentence is written here. We should drink enough water, not less water, not only 1 or 2 sip, but take enough water which our body requires. We should take enough exercise. So we should take enough exercise because exercise makes our body uh, healthy and fit. If we don't do exercise after some time, our body may get some diseases which were deadly in nature. Like there are many like sugar or very another n number of diseases which can arise if your body is not fit enough and not healthy enough. So we should take exercise regularly. That's why in your school there is a separate class which is called a PT period. In this period, at Saturday, I think, at Saturday, every student do exercise at that period. So in this way, taking exercise or doing exercise is very important for our health. We should get enough sleep. So this is a very common problem that in younger generation that one do not get enough sleep because of the mobile and laptop. Uh, that's why there are lots of other um, harmful effect which can be seen on our human body, like always feel depressed and lonely, or feel tense, depressed, not get proper sleep, make your eyes more like a burden, or head always make some pain. So in this way, our body reacts, and it's also affect our eyes and brain, and feel more like a not a happy one, feel some kind of difference. So that's why, and there is some disease is called as one who don't get enough sleep. After some time, his sleep vanish, or he don't get sleep very easily. He struggles little bit. After that, he get some sleep. So in this way, we should keep our body and hair clean. So we should keep our body and hair clean. Hygiene is again very important aspect of our daily routine, that we should keep our body clean, our hair clean, because we are living in the society. So because we are interacting each other very frequently, so that why we should follow a social norms, which is hygiene is very important for that. If a opposite person or person who are we meeting is not hygiene enough, then our transaction or our meeting cannot be held. It affects our social interaction. So that's why we should adopt a hygieneness. It is very important. We should cut our nails regularly. So cutting your nails is again very important, because if you don't cut your nails, that's then what will happen? A dirt or a germs which is in the dirt can stored in our nails, and by the time we are eating, it can get into our stomach. So after getting into a stomach, it can create a various kind of disease in our stomach. So that is why it is very important to cut our nails regularly. So we, and the next one is we should cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. So we see in the time of the corona, COVID-19, doctors, government advises that we should wear, it is compulsory to wear mask in your school also when it opens, it it is a compulsory decision that you should wear a mask. So because the sneeze, when we cough or sneeze, it travels the this air drops at a very long distance. So that's why our if you have some disease, then it can be transferred to another person. That's why wearing mask is, or covering our mouth during sneeze or cough is very important. Next one is we should wear clean clothes every day. This is very important, because in your society, if you don't follow hygieneness in our body, hair, and your appearance, so you will not be treated equal or accepted equally. So that's why, and it's also damage our impression. If we interact with someone, if we have dirty clothes, then another person will not be so friendly as it should be. So that's why cleaning a wearing a clean cloth is very important. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9. there are 10 habits that one should adopt and change our life into a much progressive way. So that's why all these habits are very important. So we take again quick revision type that one should one our body is so wonderful and we should take care of ourselves. We should eat regular, we should wait and at regular times. We should eat fruits and vegetables. We should drink enough water. We should sorry. We should take enough exercise. We should get enough sleep. We should keep our body and hair clean. We should cut our nails regularly. We should cover our mouth with cup or sneeze like this. If you have handkerchief, then you can also cover. Or if you have mask, we should wear clean clothes every day. So that's our 10 habits one should follow, or nine habits that one should follow and make our life a healthy, fit, and socially acceptable as well. So this is all about this reading, listening, remember activities. So we take another exercise. We have enough time. So next exercise is write good health and hygiene message on a big sheet of paper. Hold an exhibition in your classroom. So this is a activities that you student should carry it out in your classroom. So that what you should do that in a big sheet, there are big sheet like a paper. On a big sheet it appears like that. You write some advice, health advice, good health and messages like eat well, eat regularly at time, wear clean clothes. You can find it here also. Let's take example how we do that, how you should do that. Let's take this. Take enough exercise. You should always begin your sentence with verb because it makes it as a statement which give commands or order. Ajnarthi vakya. That's type. That is because this create a certain message that you should do this. So take enough exercise, and you should also you can add some picture here also, some stickers type or some gym equipments, dumbbells type. You can make it a more attractive in a nature. So that's why uh, this exercise you should perform when your school will be open. So this is very important. So today we see two different exercise. Which one is first one is listen carefully and read and remember. You should remember all these habits and implement it in your life. Second one is make a uh, poster type image. It's not be necessary. It should be in rectangle shape. It can be a square or a circle, which you feel very comfortable with. And write some advices, health message here, and exhibition. Take an exhibition like an gather all over your friends or your students, and some student will show off their poster to the teachers and another class of student or same class of student. In this way, this exercise can be held off or we should taken off. So I think our next chapter is, it is a more like a poem, long poem type. So we will take in your next period. So what we seen earlier, just take a closer look. First we take as a poem which is called as Train, James S. Trippett. Then next we take in two lectures The Little Babul Tree, this poem. Then we complete some activities which is on the page number 34, like conversion of negative or positive sentence into another. And there are different listen carefully or sentence read carefully. Complete the following sentence using I wish I had a gaming PC type that. And on the page number 34 in next lecture we see things a lot of together that which are in a bunch. So we see that earlier in last period we see know your body, this sentence type paragraph, that it shows the importance of our body parts, different body parts. And in this lecture we see different habits that one should adopt in our daily life. And in this next activities 3 on page number 37, we see activities which you student should carry out in our classroom when it's open. It's take an exhibition, make a poster and show it in your classroom. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you. I hope you understand. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.